Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious corn tortilla quesadillas. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 8 corn tortillas and about 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese. Next, prepare any additional fillings you desire, making sure they are fully cooked and seasoned. Then, heat your cooking surface, like a skillet or comal, to a medium temperature. Warming the tortillas slightly before filling them helps prevent cracking and makes them more pliable. Now, let's assemble your quesadillas. Lay a warm corn tortilla flat on your preheated skillet. Take approximately 2 tablespoons of shredded cheese and sprinkle it evenly over 1/2 of the tortilla. If you're using additional fillings, place a small amount on top of the cheese. Carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the filled half, pressing down gently to form a neat crescent shape. This helps keep everything contained as it cooks. Cooking your quesadilla to perfection is key. Allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on the first side until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and the cheese begins to melt. Then, using a spatula, carefully flip the quesadilla to cook the second side for another 2 to 3 minutes. You want the cheese to be completely melted and the tortilla to have a pleasant, slightly crispy texture. Adjust your heat as necessary to avoid burning. Once your quesadilla is perfectly cooked, remove it from the skillet and place it on a cutting board. You can cut it in half or into smaller wedges, depending on how you prefer to serve it. These are best enjoyed immediately, so serve them warm with your favorite accompaniments, like fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or a dollop of sour cream. Continue this simple process with your remaining tortillas and fillings to create a delightful batch of homemade quesadillas.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.